Hi, I'm Arun Sareen with Sareen Associates CPAs, celebrating our 31st year. And people say, why should we go with you? Why Sareen Associates? You know what? When I first started, it was a lot harder sell, and now it comes out very comfortably of why us. We have a lot of small business clients, and we don't cater to large clients. We only cater to small businesses from startup or before startup to about 10 million in revenue. We do have some clients that have risen to the level of 50 million or more, but then after about 15 to 20 million of revenue, we try to get rid of them because we don't want to cater and spend all our time and focus on a big fish. We can help a lot of small businesses in the same amount of time. And everybody wants to help the big guys. Nobody caters to the small business owner. A lot of businesses try to do it themselves. I would say at least 50 to 60% or more of the businesses have at least tried it once or moved it in-house or out of frustration from not finding the right people to help them, have tried to do it themselves. The do-it-yourself approach does work, but if you're running a main business, and that's taking up a lot of time because you are juggling multiple things. You are the HR person, you are the marketing and sales person, you are the purchasing manager, you are the art and design of your marketing plans. The whole works. You're juggling a lot of different balls. And at the same time, doing accounting. Guess what? When another ball drops, you don't get penalized that you can measure. When you get a tax notice, or you get a penalty for not paying your sales tax on time, or meals tax, or business license tax, or your payroll returns, you get more frustrated and you get pulled away from your core business. Get the right accountants and the right bookkeepers and the right payroll person and the right tax person to help you in all those areas. Or you can go to a company like Sareen Associates, which is a one-stop shop for small businesses. Nobody has the time, or not nobody, but at least 80 to 90% of the people in America who are trying to run a small business run out of time to do everything they want. And a lot of them wanted to run the business to help live a better life. But soon, the business is running them rather than them running the business. And guess what? The easiest thing to start doing is grab the paperwork in front of you and try to do it yourself. Just as much as you need to get good at your own business, getting good at books, getting good at tax laws, everything else, it takes time. I could be a brain surgeon and do my own brain surgery if needed, if I read enough books and I practiced enough brain surgery. But guess what? I'm an accountant. I am not going to do brain surgery on myself, even though Google will tell you how to do it yourself, right? So we are here to help those people that want help in getting bookkeeping, accounting, payroll, and taxes taken care of the right way the first time so they can focus on their businesses. It's a team approach. You can't do everything yourself. You're bringing us on your team to do all the things that relate to accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, and taxes. A lot of people, what they do is they will go to one company for bookkeeping. They'll go to another company for payroll. They'll go to another third company for taxes. And they'll go to a fourth guy when they go and get a lot of tax notices. And then to do an offer and compromise or get rid of the IRS or get rid of the notices, they hire a specialist. Guess what? We see the full 360 degrees of those needs. And we are here to make sure all those angles are covered by one company, by one stop shop, so you can focus more on not figuring out what drops in between those four services, but rather having one person responsible for them. And that is why putting us on your team helps you focus more on your business. And we are a good sounding board for our clients. The more you have ideas, some of them can be crazy ideas. We have seen those same ideas go through 100 or 1,000 small business owners' heads, and you're not the first one that has crazy ideas. So our clients use them to bounce off against us. They use us as their sounding board. And we are here to not just do your bookkeeping, but to give you ideas, or sometimes to test your ideas or to tweak them so they work better. Anyway, I'm Arun Sareen with Sareen Associates CPAs. If you need more information on why us or want a one-on-one conversation, then info@sareentax.com is the best place to go.